I'm Brandon Basila. I'm the Field Operations Supervisor out of the Slidell office here in Louisiana for National OnDemand. We had a hurricane. It seems like this area had a lot more of the damage, so they had to do a lot of repairs with the power company and everything before we could even step foot here. Driving up here, I saw a lot of roofs missing, total roofs on the other side of the road. A lot of people rely on the phone service, for the 911. They may have medical equipment, so certain areas, and I know essential businesses had to get restored, first. Today, I'm going to take a survey of this house here. Looks like the drop has been cut and damaged, and there's no service here. There is a tap across the street. Where I live in Hammond, we were out of power for about 10 days before we had power restored, and then our Spectrum services were up within a week after that. But we do notice it comes and goes. That's just part of everything being restored. We all just got to have a little bit of patience and understand it's going to take some time to get everybody back up and running.